Welcome to the American College of Financial Services Professional Recertification Program. You can complete your recertification requirements within your Learning Hub.
Annual fees are paid in the last quarter of each year.
During that time, you'll see a convenient banner across the top of your Learning Hub, reminding you that it's time to recertify and directing you to the recertification page. You'll also be able to access recertification year-round from your dashboard under My Designations and Certifications, where you'll see your completed steps, current recertification status, and upcoming due dates. From here, you can click Recertify Now to go to the main recertification page, or to report PRP CE to view and update your reported continuing education credits. Finally, during the recertification window, you can access recertification from the My Designations and Certifications landing page with the convenient Time to Recertify banner. Now let's look at the recertification page. There are 3 steps to complete recertification. College alumni are expected to complete the first 2 steps, a recertification questionnaire and an annual recertification fee, between October and December. Every 2 years, alumni are expected to report continuing education credits based on their client-facing status. On the recertification page, you'll see a progress bar at the very top, showing the steps you've completed. Below that, you'll find each step outlined and clearly explained with an easy link. You'll need to complete the ethics questionnaire first. You'll be asked to review the information that the college has on file and update anything that may be incorrect. You'll be asked whether you're interested in learning more or participating in surveys and interviews. And finally, you'll complete the questionnaire itself. As part of this questionnaire, you'll identify yourself as client-facing or non-client-facing. If you're unsure, you can find more information within the tooltip. You'll then answer the remainder of the questionnaire, providing more detail if you answer yes to any of the questions. And finally, you'll attest that your answers are accurate and that you agree to be bound by the American College of Financial Services Code of Ethics and comply with the professional recertification requirements. Here you'll be asked to check one last time your client-facing or non-client-facing status to confirm that it's accurate. If not, you can return to the questionnaire, but if everything looks good, you can continue to the next step. Once you've finished the questionnaire, you'll be able to submit payment for your recertification fee. If you owe a late fee or a reinstatement fee, you can pay all of these at the same time. And finally, once you've completed your payment, you'll need to verify your recertification CE. From here, you can enter your continuing education courses, including the course name, provider, credits earned, and date completed. You'll need to select a CE category, as outlined on the page above, and click Submit. From here, it'll be added to your table of reported CE, with the option to edit or delete entries if needed. And as you can see here, any CE courses taken through the American College of Financial Services will be automatically added to the chart. And if you have not fulfilled your ethics requirement, we offer an easy link to enroll in CE 128. Additionally, if you're considered to be in good standing, meaning that your recertification status is up to date through the current year, you'll also see the option for CE attestation, which allows you to attest that you've completed the CE requirements without manually reporting every course. And of course, if you have any questions, there's a list of frequently asked questions at the bottom of both the CE reporting page and the main recertification page for your convenience.